My dear student, today we'll be going to learn about the very important in HCF. We are saying HCF and sorry HCF and LCM. LCM. Okay. Now we have already learned about the prime number, co-prime number, and twin prime number. Okay, twin prime number. Now today we'll be going to learn very important part of HCF and finding the HCF and LCM of a number, that is factorizing a number. Factorizing a number into its prime factors. Prime factors. Okay. Now to learn that there are two methods, which is one is vertical arrangement, vertical arrangement, and second one is horizontal arrangement. Okay, we'll see step one by one. First we'll see vertical arrangement. See, I'll write one number 24. Now we have been asked to find the method, find the prime factors of given number. So what you have to do, you'll write the number as in this form 24. If you'll see, to find the this divisor or the factors of the given number, you should know the divisibility test, which is divisibility test of a number, that is 2, divisibility test of 2, 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, then 9, 8, 10, 11, 13, and so on. You should know this divisibility test. Now that we'll see afterwards. Now we'll see how to find the product, sorry prime factors of 20. If you'll see the, if at a given, in a given number, if the unit place number is 2, 4, 6, 8 na, then that number is divisible by 2. So here in the 24 the unit place number is 4, so it can be divisible by 2. So we'll write 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Here will be going to write only quotient. Quotient will be going to write 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, nothing remains. Okay, now here 2 is there, so it can be divided by 2, 2 6 are 12. Now 6 is there in the table of 2, so you can write 2, 2 3s are 6. Now 3 is there, which 3 is divisible by only, it is a prime number, so it is divisible by itself. 3 ones are 3. Once you get 1 here as a quotient, you will stop the doing division. So this numbers which is there, these all are the prime factors of 24. Okay, I'll write it properly. Factors of 24 are, see, 24, sorry 24, 2, 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, and 3, 3 ones are 3. Okay, these 1 2 3 4, these are the prime factors of 24. This is a vertical arrangement. In horizontal arrangement, see that 24, 12 twos are 24. Okay, if you'll see 12, in which table it is, there 12 twos are 24. Now 12 in which table, how you can form the 12? If I'll write 12 in this way, 4 3s are 12, and I'll keep 2 as it is. Understood? 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24. Again, if I'll write 4, 2 multiplied by 2, and this 3 and this 3. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24. So these are the prime factors 3 2 and 1 3. What are the prime factors of 22? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. These are the prime factors. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. In anyhow you should get the product as the answer if you're going to do this horizontal or vertical arrangement. There should be no change in the answer, product of these numbers, multiplication of this and these. Okay, understood? Did you understood? I'll show it for you. See now, for example, I'll tell you 30. Okay, find the prime factors of 30. Now we'll write 30 first. Okay, 30. If any number, if in the given number the unit number is 0 or 5, if in the given number the unit number is 0 or 5, that number is divisible by 5. Okay, here 30 is there and unit number is 0, so it is divisible by 5. 5 6 are 30. Okay, 5 6 are 30, then 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So these 3 are prime factors of 30. Understood? How to write this? 5 multiplied by 2. Okay, 5 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 3. 5 2 is a 10, 10 3 is a 30. It was in horizontal arrangement. Okay, so it was in vertical arrangement 5 2, and now horizontal, how you will write 30. Okay, first you will write 15 2s are 30. Okay, this 15 is in which table? 5 3s are 15, and this is 2. So this is the in horizontal arrangement. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. Understood? Have you understood vertical arrangement and horizontal arrangement? It's a very easy, so you don't get confused for that. Okay, I'll solve from the practice set 11, one or two example, then we'll go further. Practice set 11. First one, I'll read the question. Factorize the following numbers into primes. First one is 32. You can solve it in the vertical arrangement and horizontal arrangement. We'll solve in the both first. 32. Okay, first write down the 32. Unit number is 2, so it is divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2. Here 1 remains. 3 minus 2 1. How I am going to do this? See, for your understanding, I'll show it for you. 32 is there, na? You have to divide with the 2. 2 1s are 2. This 1 remains. So here 1 comes, and this 2 will come down. It becomes 12. 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 12 0. So here will be the 16. Only question you have to write here. Okay, understood? What you have to write there? By what we are writing? So 6 the 12. Now 16, 6 is their unit place, so it is divisible by 2 also. 2 8s are 16. Again 8 is there, which is there in the table of 2. 2 4 is 8, then 2 2s are 4. I'll write this side. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So these 1 2 3 4 5 2s are the factors of 32 in the vertical arrangement. Okay, in horizontal arrangement, how you will solve 32? Tell me the in which table it is there? 15 to the 30, 16 to the 32. Okay, 16 to the 32. Now how you will write 16? I'll write in this way. 14 multiplied by 14 and this 2. 4 4 is 16, 16 to the 12. How you will write 4? 2 multiplied by 2 this also 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. See, I'll write properly. 2, how you will write for 2 multiplied by 2, again 2 multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by 2. Just after writing this all, you have to check your multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Your product, this multiplication should be equal to this number. If this multiplication is different and this number is different, then you can't go, you can't write down your answer. Okay, you have to be careful about that. Did you understood? Okay, next, second, I'll write fourth one. I'll solve fourth one for you. Okay, it is 150. I have already told you, if in the given number, if the unit place number is 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. So 150, 5 will take this 15, 5 3 is a 15, remains 0, so 0 will be 0. Again 5 6 is a 30, here 0 means it is divisible by 5, 5 6 are 30, 6 is there, now it is divisible by 2 also, it is divisible by 3, you can take anything, we will take 3, 3 2s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. So these are the prime factors of 150 in vertical arrangement. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 2 in vertical arrangement. And now in the horizontal arrangement, we'll write, this is vertical. Now in horizontal arrangement 150, how you will write 150? 50 multiplied by 3. Okay, now 50, how you can write 50? 10 multiplied by 5 and 3, 10 5 is 15, 15 3 is 150. Okay, how you will write 50 then? 10, then this 10, 5 2 is 10, 5 3, this 5 2 is 10. Again, can you go further? Any number which is can be divided 5, which we can divide 5? No, 5 2 is 10, 10 5 is 50, 53 is 150. Understood? Have you understood? Okay, now one more I'll explain for you. Lastly, you have to write the prime factors. How you will write? 150 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by this 3 and 2. Okay, now I'll solve this seventh one, which is 765 for you. Okay, 765. I have already told you which is divisible by 5. 765, the number at a unit place is 5, so it is divisible by 5. So we'll now 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5, how much? 2. This becomes 26. 7 5 5 are 25. 26 minus 25, 1 remains. This becomes 15. 15 5 3 is 15. Okay, now if you'll see, now 3 is there, how to divide this? So now if you'll see, the addition of all the digits are there, 1 and 5 is 6, 6 plus 3 9. If the addition of this, the given numbers is in the table of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3. Again 5 and 1 6, so 3 1s are 3, 2 remains, 5 minus 3 2, 3 7s are 21 and 17. Now 17 is a prime number, so it is divisible by itself only, so 17 1s are 17. Okay, so these are the product prime factors of 765. Okay, understood? prime factors again in the horizontal arrangement. How you will write? See, horizontal 765. How you will write? 50. Wait for y. In horizontal arrangement it is there. If you'll see, 17 multiplied by 30, 1700, sorry, will change 17 45. Okay, 17 will be as it is. Now how you will do this? 5 nines are 45. Okay, then 17 will be as it is. 5, 3 multiplied by 3. This is the prime factors of 765. Did you understood? It is a very easy. For this, there are very important tips for this. For to find the factors, to find the factors, you should know some important things. One is divisibility test, and second is tables. If you know these two things now, you will be going to solve all of this example. So hope you understood how what is mean by prime number, then co-prime number, and twin prime number, and how to find the factors of a given number. Hope you understood this. If any queries there, you can ask me. I'll be going to send you the notes also. You can write down the notes and practice as much as possible. Thank you and have a lovely day.